The energy revolution has begun, and San Diego is leading the way. By 2035, San Diego is on track to run on 100% renewable energy, and it's time to take action. Enlist with Semper Solaris, a veteran-owned and operated company, to join the fight against rising SDG&E bills, one solar panel at a time. Americans are pioneers, are they not? Having solar is being a pioneer. If you live in Chula Vista, El Cajon, Escondido, Oceanside, Ramona, Poway, Santee, and La Mesa, it's time to declare your independence from those who control your energy. San Diegans can offset their entire electric bill and have their solar pay for itself in no time, sending excess power back to the electric grid and keeping fossil fuels as a part of the past. Do your part and hop on the right side of energy history with Semper Solaris and join the solar movement.